INCB, International Narcotics Control Board. United Nations, precursors. Tingnan mo ha. Pagka hindi tarantado talaga itong mga cannabis. Characteristics or characterize other risks. Cannabis smoke contains 50% more tar than the high tar cigarettes, which puts users at an increased risk of lung cancer and respiratory disease. Hanggang dyan lang. Wala namang talagang cannabis. Cocaine. United Nations. Mixing cocaine with alcohol is a dangerous cocktail and can greatly increase the chances of sudden death. That's cocaine. Amerikano, cocaine yan. Kaya hindi masyado ecstasy. Tablets or pills that are sold, matanda na rin kasi ako, nagduduble rin itong buang. That may contain other potentially dangerous substances which can vary widely in strength and effects. Heroin. Uses risks overdosing on heroin, which can lead to coma and death through respiratory. Yung Amerika, mga artista. Sila Whitney, singer. Yan sila, pati yung actor. LSD. The physical effects are small compared to the psychological and emotional effects. They include dilated pupils, increased heart rate and blood pressure, loss of appetite, sleeplessness, dry mouth, and tremors. Methamphetamine, shabu. Listen very carefully. Methamphetamine use sometimes triggers aggressive, violent, and bizarre behavior, among others. Kanila yan, ha? Tapos magpunta sila dito, kaya idemanda nila ako sa International Criminal Court of Justice. Fuck you. Kita mo, so it has corrupted everybody. Mga mayors. Kita mo, para hinog. Sinong taga-Osamis dito? Walang matinong eleksyon doon. Every election, patayin niya yung kalaban niya. Tangina. Tapos dumating ang panahon, pati yung mga polis, which ginanon ko si Irwang, sige, i-assign mo yung mga polis doon na matino. Ang 4 pinatay niya. Ay, kaya sabi ko, pag ginagamit mo na ang Office of the Mayor as a platform for your organized, syndicated crimes, yayariin kita. And so with Espinosa, he was killed inside, may baril. Sabi na nila ng planted evidence. So, bakit ako maniwala sa putang inang yan? Why would I listen to his co-prisoners, inmates? Then pa sabi ng police, may baril siya, even if he was inside the detention cell. Sino ang paniwalaan ko? Di ang police ko. Demanda na. Demanda ninyo. Demanda. Prosecutor, go ahead. Trial, go ahead. Judgment day, read what you want to play there. Tawag siya, sir, kukulong na kami, reclusion perpetua. Gawa mo ng pardon. Ako yung may hawak ng barahan natin. Trial, arrest, trial, prosecution, whatever. Judgment day, guilty. So what's my card? Pardon, restored to full and civil political rights. Patayin mo ang pulis ko, hindi ako papayag niyan. Pardon. I don't mind giving pardons to 100 policemen a day. Wala naman sabi sa, doesn't even say, the president can pardon, blah, blah, blah. But he cannot pardon himself. Wala namang sinabi. So pati ako, pagbaba ko ngayong Disyembre, pardon ko na. Oh, di ba? Sabihin ng Bisaya na yung brin. Oh, Bisaya ba tatay ko? Ayaw ninyo, paano kami Pilipino gawin ninyong gago? And so itong crime, wala akong ibang ano, because if I have to talk individually, I said, do not fall into their hands. You're playing into their hands, eh. Sabihin mo, God, no, I will call, Bong, bigyan mo yung card lahat. You can call 888. And you can name the official. Huwag kayong matakot ng libel. Ako ang bahala sa iyo. Ipapardon kita. Ilagay mo yung gusto mo, pangalan mo, ang opisina, bakit ka galit. Kasi ito, hiningi sa iyo. Make it public. In the meantime, I said, unmask them publicly. Kaya ito si Cuevas, niwarningan ko, nabitawan ko. Kaya mga tagabay nila, kilala rin itong putang inan to. Sinabi ko, huminto ka, wag mong, do not stretch your luck too far, too much. Kaya mga gobyerno, laruin nyo ng ganito, you steal billions, million. Yun lang man maibigay ko sa taong bayan. So I may, maraming ayaw sa akin. Ayaw ko man rin sa inyo. Well, I won the election. Ang mayor ko lang sa Pilipinas, ako lang nga siguro, wala akong mayor, wala akong except I may, tapos governor ng Bataan, Yobet. In Cebu, the native province, wala akong leader na isa. In Cebu, but I want 2 million. Sabi, worried sila sa rating noon, umaakyat. Number 4 lang ako. Alam nila kung sino yung butuhan nila pagdating ng eleksyon. Ang mga muro. O, tingnan mo, pati hulo. Saan man pala buboto itong mga... Wala daw. Yung nasira na ano, I'm sorry, I apologize to you. Wala man talaga ako magawa. I was forced and there was a rebellion. I had to suppress them. Pero there will be a... Ako mayroon na akong initial funds. Billions also para to jumpstart the Marawi. Pero ito sabihin ko sa inyo, mga kapatid, do not expect yung mga mayaman, malaking building dyan. Hala kayo dyan. Tulungan ko yung mahirap na Maranao. Ilagay ko livelihood sa kanila. Yung mga mayaman, nasa bangko yung pera nila. So that's a sad story. I really do not know how. That's why in the first place, I just to have a dialogue with you. But in the meantime, itawag mo. Or you want to use an alias, go ahead. You can use the nasa Jose Rizal, Bonifacio. Oh, para ano talaga, there's a sense